Breaking news from Washington, D.C. The U.S. Supreme Court is once again at the center of a major national debate, this time over the future of same-sex marriage in America. Nearly a decade after the landmark 2015 ruling in Obergefell versus Hodges, which legalized gay marriage across all 50 states, the justices are now being asked to reconsider that historic decision. At the heart of this renewed controversy is Kim Davis, the former Kentucky county clerk who made headlines in 2015 when she refused to issue marriage licenses to same-sex couples, citing her religious beliefs. After years of legal battles, Davis has now petitioned the Supreme Court, asking the justices to overturn her civil contempt conviction, and in the process, to revisit the very foundation of marriage equality law. On November 7, 2025, the court met privately to discuss whether to take up Davis's appeal. If they decide to hear the case, it would mark the first direct challenge to the Obergefell ruling in almost 10 years. Conservative Justice Clarence Thomas and others have previously suggested that the court should re-examine past rulings that were not rooted in the Constitution's original meaning, sparking widespread concern among civil rights advocates. Supporters of LGBTQ+ rights warn that this could open the door to a rollback of marriage equality, affecting not just future couples but potentially casting doubt over the legal status of existing marriages. On the other hand, conservative groups argue that religious freedom should be protected and that government officials like Kim Davis should not be punished for following their faith-based convictions. Legal analysts say the court's decision on whether to hear the case could come within the next few weeks. If accepted, arguments might be scheduled for early 2026, setting up one of the most closely watched and divisive cases in recent years. For now, both sides are mobilizing, equality advocates vowing to defend marriage rights and opponents seeing this as a chance to redefine them. Bottom line, nearly 10 years after same-sex marriage became law, the Supreme Court stands once again at a historic crossroads, and the fate of marriage equality in America hangs in the balance.